Hi, my name is Madhu and I am an artist. I have been living in Bahrain since 5 years, but I have been practicing art since last 12 years, and also I am an author of the book Everest in My Heart, and I love trekking on mountains. So my art journey in Bahrain, it began with Al Rahma Center. I went there for a painting competition 5 years back, and there I won the competition. They liked the concept of my art, the colors, the design, and there I met Mr. Mohammed Taha. He is my mentor now, and with him I have done multiple projects in Bahrain School, Bahrain Beach and Bahrain Hospital. So yeah, now all this has led me here, and now I have my own art exhibition with my daughter Sejal at the most prestigious venue in Bahrain, that is Harbour Gate. I love traveling. When I travel, I not only just see the sights, I also take them in, and the nature, it inspires me a lot. The cultures, the people I meet and the places I go to, they always leave a deep impact in me, and when I start painting, something or the other comes back to me and I try to bring that on my canvas, and that is my inspiration. This art piece is called Aranya, and it means bountiful forest. So whenever somebody admires this, the feeling of vibrancy, abundance, joy and prosperity should come across. That is what I felt when I was going through this, when I was making this piece. This is one of my favorite art pieces. It's called Hayrat. It's a Welsh word and it means longing for a home you have not been to. So I have been to Mount Everest base camp, but now I want to go to the summit of Mount Everest. So I have a real big longing, huge longing for that, to climb all the 7 summits on the 7 continents. I'm looking forward to that, and as far as my art future prospects are, I want to open an art gallery, and also for my next collection, I want to work on abstract art where I can paint all the emotions, the feelings and the excitement I can feel when I am around Bahrain. And Bahraini society is a very welcoming society. I would like to thank the people here for all the love and encouragement I am getting here. Thank you. So I would like to present my resin art collection to you now. This is something new which I've been experimenting with. And this first piece is called Sapphire. It's a sea storm kind of thing, but also it connects to our feelings, which are turbulent sometimes, which are calm sometimes. So this represents the sea and the sea in us, that is our feelings. So this piece is called Azure. It shows the mystery and magnificence which we feel in ourselves. All the layers, when they come together, they become beautiful if we are able to control it or if we are able to harness it. So this is Azure, and this is the most special one, Rouge. It's dedicated to Bahrain. Bahrain, 2 seas, where the 2 seas merge beautifully. So the community, people here, they merge beautifully and live together. The colors are of Bahraini flag, and the pearl in the center relates to the pearl diving history of Bahrain. So this is Rouge for you.
I'm Sejal Sarda. I'm 17 years old and I'm a student in St. Christopher's, Bahrain. I'm in year 12 and I do subjects such as physics, math and English. However, my passion and my expression of medium is art since a really young age. I needed something to be able to express myself through, be creative, and something that I can improve in, and art was that for me. So I experimented with landscapes, with sceneries, with still life. However, portraiture connected to me the most. When I look at people's faces, I feel that I connect with them, and to convey their stories and characteristics, I like to paint it. So Ama is one of my favorite paintings because I photographed her in Nepal, and she was dancing in a temple, and I asked her if I could take a picture and she said yes. So when I took the picture, she got really shy, and when I came back, capturing that, drawing her wrinkles, using texture and newspaper, really accumulated the whole experience for me, and I'm really grateful for that. This piece is called Ariel, and I made her to portray my love for the ocean and the water. And I really wanted to be contemporary with this art style, so I painted blues and different shades of green to highlight the diversity of the ocean, as well as make it playful to bring out the eyes and the characteristics of the face. This is also one of my favorites because it was really fun to experiment with the different mediums, and I feel it turned out nice. I'm really grateful that this exhibition happened in the first place because it helped me grow and also discover how much passion I had for art. So in the future, I plan to have more successful exhibitions with my mom and also photograph and learn more and study art in a deeper way so I can become more experienced and wise in this art field. I would love to pursue something in architecture or architectural engineering, designing.
This is exuberance, the theme of our exhibition. It means full of life, joy and happiness. So I'm a very lively person. I love to live in the moment. Do not dwell too much in the past or do not overthink the future. Whatever is here, do the best of it. So that's exuberance for us, and this painting, which is the centerpiece, it's called Lumbini. It's the birthplace for Buddha in Nepal. So it's a dedication to our home country also, and the lotus, the colors here represent our inner happiness. The mirror in this painting, it gives you a sense that you should reflect on yourself from time to time to just know that you are doing good, and you should see through to the inner beauty, inner colors which you have in life. Even the smallest of things can give you happiness if you can see through it.
This is a combination of our art styles merged into one. I specialize in portraiture. She specializes in the use of color and mandalas and still life too. And we combine that together to convey and present this beautiful painting, the Buddha, but it's called Lumbini. And it depicts the use of different colors in contrast to the tones and the textures in the painting itself.
And we had lots of fun making this painting. Sometime I wouldn't like something and she would love it. Others time I wouldn't like what she does and I would go all over.